IGCSE accounting. In this video, we will continue to talk about the correction of the error, and this one is particularly for the impact of the correction of error on the financial position, the statement of financial position. Okay, let's have a look when you need to exercise, that means perform this correction. So all the errors are located and corrected in the balance of the suspend account is clear. That means you perform all whatever you need to do. For example, the general journal, suspend account, profit and loss, everything you adjust already. Then you only look into the financial position, which is statement of financial position. In some way, they also mentioned that this is balance sheet. Okay, all right, and how to do it? It depends. How to depends means what? Means in the suspend account, it can be a debit balance, it can be a credit balance. Remember about that? If let's say it's a debit, which is impact on the statement of financial position, then of course you adjust the asset. If in the credit, then you adjust the owner equity or the liability. All right, let's have a look of one of the examples in the textbook, which is page 87. The example is number 9. A sales of office furnitures for 550 was credited to the sales account. All right, the office furniture, it mentioned office furniture is not for buy and sell purpose. So office furniture, it should be an asset. Unfortunately, someone mistakenly use it as, make it as a sales. So what happened is it affected the profit and loss also. All right, let's have a look how to solve this case. The value of the asset, which is the office furniture as a asset, you have to reduce 550 because you already sold, the asset already reduced. So it's 550 reduced. And because you record as a sales, but it is not a sales, it actually you just sell off your asset. So you have the profit side, you have to reduce 550 also. And profit actually happen to appear in the owner equity section, which is in the statement of financial position, which is in the equity section. So you have to reduce 550 as well. So it will be balanced, right? All right, next example. A purchase of equipment. Equipment is an asset. On credit for $890 was entered in both the equipment account and the credit, the supplier's account as 980. I have to emphasize that because in this question already said both enter as 980. So it's wrong, right? The amount is wrong. When the amount is wrong, so we need to adjust it. So how to adjust it? Let's have a look. The value of the asset, which is equipment as an asset, because by right should be 890 and now we recorded as 980. So we have to reduce 90. And the value of trade payable, because I purchased something which is on credit, which is I not yet pay, all right, I not yet pay. So it's trade payable as a liability. I have to reduce of 90 as well because the equipment itself is not so expensive as 980, actually only cost 890. All right. Okay, next example, 120 cash was taken from the business by the owner, but it's not recorded in the account. All right, how to do the adjustment? For this case, it's totally not entered at all. The value of the asset, which is cash is asset, right? Because it's a cash case. And it's reduced. Your cash reduced already, but you're not required. Of course, you have to adjust the cash reduced by 120. And the value of owner equity, which is in the credit side, you have to reduce by 120 as well because the owner already take out the capital, that means the equity. Its share is reduced. So you have to reduce it as well. It will be balanced. All right. So this is how it works when some error actually impact the statement of financial statement. That's all for correction of error. If you still have some questions, welcome to put inside the comment and let me know. Thank you and bye.